Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now with you Ishtar Primary Private School. Today we have a new lesson in English. I hope you will be fine. Now we start a new lesson or a new unit, Unit 2. Okay? Listen to me, pay attention. Okay, English lesson for 5th class, Unit 2, lesson 1 and 2. Okay, now we go to lesson 2. We finish unit 1 and go to unit 2. Now with you English teacher Zahra Nafi. Yes. Listen to me and open your books with me, please. Okay. Before I start a new lesson, unit 2, lesson 1, now we take about times. Okay, all these watches, هذه الساعات, it talk about time. In this unit we talk about time and present simple and so many subjects. Okay, and days of the week, أيام الأسبوع. Now we go to time. I will give you some example about time before we go to the lesson. Just like we have this time. Okay, if I want to ask about time, I should ask what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, let's go to the second one. Okay, what time is it? Oh, it's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, let's go to another one. What time is it? Did you think it? What time is it? Good. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Now we go to our lesson. Please open your book with me on page 22. Open your book with me on page 22. About time. About time. Look, we have 8 pictures. Look, we have 8 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 pictures. Is talk about time. Okay, and we have write the time here. We have the number time and we have the right time. يعني هنا عندنا الساعة رقما وهنا عندنا الساعة كتابة. Okay, we match. Look, listen and say. Okay, we match this one and to this one. Yes, listen to me and write the time with me. Match. Hi, I want to talk about time. We want to talk about time. It's 7:45. Which picture? Which picture? It's 7:45. Yes, this one. It's 4. Rewrite 7:45. It's 2:45. It's 2. It's 2:45. Number 7. We write 2:45 here. 3. It's 1:50. It's 1:15. Which picture? Which picture? Rewrite 1:50. Yes, it's 6. It's 6. 4. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. Which picture? Which picture? Yes, it's number 1. Let's see. It's 1, 3 o'clock. 5. It's 12 o'clock. Which picture is 12 o'clock? 5. Let's write 12 o'clock. Good. It's 9:30. It's 9:30. Where is 9:30? Let's see. It's 2. It's 2. It's 8:30. Where is 8? This one. Let's see. Let's write. Good. 8:30. 8. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11:15. It's 11:15. 11:15. Let's see. Where is 11:15? Where is 11:15? Yes, it's 11:15. Good. You should write these in front of each writing. يعني احنا نكتب مقابل كل كتابة. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. Yes. Ask about time. Okay, I want to ask about time. What I need? What I need or how I ask. We use what or what time to ask about time. Okay, how we do this rule? What plus time plus is plus it plus a question mark. Okay, this is the questions ask about time. هذا السؤال اللي نسأل عنه عن الوقت. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, we have two options or we have two answers. Okay, answers number one. إذا كانت الساعة تامة أو ضبط نضع it's الساعة وكلمة o'clock. إذا كانت الساعة تامة. What's the meaning of تامة؟ يعني ضبط. شلون حتكون الجواب؟ it's الساعة وكلمة o'clock. it's والساعة وكلمة o'clock. Now we go. إذا كانت الساعة غير تامة. What's that mean؟ يعني 100 دقائق، يعني بال7:05 بال37 دقيقة. هذه الساعة نقول الساعة تكون غير تامة. What's that mean؟ القاعدة it's والساعة والدقائق. نكتب it's والساعة اللي هي 12 11 1 2 والدقائق. Okay. Let's see what's that mean. What time is it? What time is it? Okay. It's 2:15. It's 2:15. How you write it? 2:15. It's هي it's 2 الساعة الدقائق 15 Okay. It's 1:45. It's 1:45. It's 1:45 هي الدقائق 45. Okay, let's go back. Sorry. What time is it? What time is it? It's 47. It's 7:45. Yes, it's 7:45. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What kind of this clock? الساعة it's تامة. هنا عندنا الساعة تامة. هنا عندنا الساعة with a minute مع الدقائق. It's what time is it? Who told me? What time is it? It's 11:15. 11:15. Good. Okay, let's go. What time is it? What time is it? It's what is this? It's 9:30. Good. It's 9:30. Okay. طلاب، المطلوب من عندكم هنا إنه نحفظ الأرقام. Okay, I know some of you knows the numbers, but most of you doesn't know or doesn't remember the numbers. Okay, فالمطلوب من عندكم هو حفظ الأرقام to how and answer about time حتى نقدر نجاوب على الوقت. Okay. Ask your partners and write the answers in the table. Okay. Now we have Yusuf and Dime. This is Yusuf and this is Dime. Yusuf and Dime, they are partner, and they ask about what time do you get up, do you go to school. Okay. Now this one we talk about Yusuf and this one we talk about Dime. What time do you get up? Okay. Who told me? What's the meaning of get up? Get up. Good. ينهض. What time do you get up? Yusuf says, I get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, let's see Dime. I get up at 7 o'clock. Or we write 6:30. Okay, 6:30. What time do you go to school? Yusuf, he goes to school at 8 o'clock. Okay, let's see Dime. What do you go to school? She goes to school at 8 o'clock at 2. What time do you finish school? Dime. Yusuf finishes school at 12:30. What about Dime? Okay, let's see. Dime finishes school at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock. What time do you have lunch? What's the meaning of lunch? What's the meaning of lunch? Good. It's غداء. Firas eat his lunch at 2:30. What about Dime? 2:32. Good. Yes. What time do you go to bed, Dime? What time do you go to bed, Dime? Yes. Dime goes to bed at 8:45. At 8:45. What about you? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock. Okay, look طلاب. My student, these numbers of it's about you. Okay, يعني هاي تتكلم عنكم. تتكلم عنكم، يعني أنتم مخيرين أما تكتبون هاي الأوقات أما أنتم أوقات تكتبوها from yourself. Okay, من نفسكم. I hope you understand what I say. Yes, now to go to Mr. Hadi's day. Everyone have a day. Let's go to talk about Mr. Hadi's day. Look, read and underline the verbs. Listen and say. Now we go to Mr. Hadi, and Mr. Hadi do what he do every day. يعني ماذا يفعل كل يوم. Let's go and introduce Mr. Hadi. Mr. Hadi gets up at 6:30. Gets up. What's the meaning of get up? Okay. If I go to underline with me. من أقول لكم جروا خط جوا هذا الفعل يجرون الخط عندكم بالكتاب. Underline under each verb. Okay. Mr. Hadi gets up at 6:30. Gets up. Okay, we have the verb gets up. We underline the verb. We put underline under the verb. خلينا خط جوا الفعل. What's the meaning of get up? ينهض. إنه مستر هادي ينهض الساعة 6:30. 2. He has breakfast at 7 o'clock. وهو يتناول الفطور الساعة 7 صباحا. Okay, where is the verb? Who told me? Where is the verb? Good. It has. We have has. 3. He leaves the house at 7:30. Leaves the house at 7:30. وهو يغادر البيت الساعة 7:15. Where is the verb? Where is the verb? Who told me? Where is the verb? Good. It's leaves. We underline leaves. 4. First, he opens the zoo at 8 o'clock. Opens the zoo. Okay, told me what's the meaning of zoo? What's the meaning of zoo? Good. حديقة الحيوان. First he opens. What is the verb? Opens. يفتح الحديقة الساعة 8 صباحا. 5. Then بعدها he cleans the gauges at 10:30. gauges الأقفاص وهو ينظف الأقفاص الساعة 10:10. What is the verb? Cleans. Cleans. Okay, cleans ينظف. 6. After that he feeds the animals at 11:15. After that بعد ذلك هو يطعم الحيوانات at 11:50 الساعة 11:15 و15 دقيقة. feeds. What is the verb? Good, it feeds. 7. He closed the zoo at 5:50. He closed the zoo at 5:15. Okay, what's the meaning of close? يغلق. هو يغلق حديقة الحيوانات الساعة 5:15. We have the verb closes يغلق. 8. Finally بالنهاية he gets home at 5:45. get يصل إلى البيت الساعة 5:45. he gets. What's the meaning of get? يصل. We have the verb. What is the verb? Underline the verb, please. Yes, we have gets. Underline gets. Please underline the verb all picture. Okay, we have 8 picture and a picture has a verb. وكل هذه الصورة تحتوي على فعل. We should underline the verb. We put underline يعني نضع خط تحت كل فعل. Okay. Now we go to vocabulary. This vocabulary it's very important. It's verbs. هذه أفعال. Okay. والأفعال هذه so important. كلش مهمة. Gets up ينهض. Gets up ينهض. has يملك. leave يغادر. open يفتح. clean ينظف. feed يطعم. close يغلق. get يصل. Okay, this vocabulary is very important. Okay, for your understanding حتى تفهمون الموضوع أكثر. Okay طلاب, I hope you understand my lesson. Please, if you have any questions, make a message for me on Viber or on school. I will re-explain for you. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand. Goodbye, my student.